Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a polynomial expression and we have to simplify it. So from the rules of algebra, we know that at first we have to solve all the operations which is present within the pair of brackets, and then we have to solve the multiplicative operator, and finally we are going to solve the difference operator. So let's proceed. So the expression given to us is y minus 1 multiplied by minus of 7y minus 4, and then we have minus of minus 7y minus 5. Now when we are going to solve the operations within the first pair of brackets, then what we are going to do is we are going to individually multiply each terms which is present within the first pair of brackets with each of the terms present within the second pair of brackets. That is, y multiplied by minus of 7y will become minus of 7y square. Then y multiplied by minus of 4 will become minus of 4y. Again, minus of 7y multiplied by minus of 1 will be 7y. And finally we have minus of minus 4 into 1, which is plus 4. And from this pair of brackets, if we take minus 1 common from both the terms, then minus and minus will become plus, so we will ultimately have plus 7y plus 5. Okay, so now we are going to remove this pair of brackets, so it will become minus of 7y square. 7y minus 4y is 3y, and then we have plus 4, and the remaining two terms were 7y and plus 5. So ultimately we are going to get the answer minus of 7y square. 7y plus 3y will give us 10y, and 5 plus 4 will be equals 9. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.